Kind of fresh, kind of glowy, kind of shimmery. No. And hi everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I got this really easy look using very minimal products. I didn't go for any lashes or liner today, but of course if that's something you prefer or you like to do to complete your looks, then go for it. This was just really easy, really simple, and I just think it looks really pretty in person. So if you want to see how I got this look and what products I used, please keep on watching. So taking a fluffy brush, I'm going in with some MAC's Soft Brown, and I'm really going to pack this onto my upper crease. So taking a little bit of Swiss chocolate, I'm going to pop this on the outer portion of my crease. I'm kind of winging out this color also. So I cut my crease a little bit with this LA Girl Pro Concealer in Creamy Beige, and I'm just going to tap that in. So I stopped the concealer over here and I'm just feathering it out. Now going in with this shade right here, this is Motif. I'm really going to pack this onto my brush, and I'm using the same brush. It's a Sigma Concealer F70 brush. I'm just going to pack this onto the concealer. So what I'm doing is I'm taking this eyeshadow and I'm really pushing in most of the product in the inner portion of the lid. And then as I get a little further out, I'm slowly and gently pressing it into that shade. So it's just a really nice gradient effect. Now taking a Sigma E25 blending brush, I'm going back in with Soft Brown. I'm really gonna work this onto my lower lash line. Taking the same brush, I'm going in with a very small amount of Swiss chocolate, and I'm just going to buff this on the outer portion. And I'm connecting this shadow to the top portion. Going back in with a little bit of Motif, I'm going to pop this into my inner tear ducts and bring this down to the bottom portion over here. I'm going to line my waterline with this NYX Wonder Pencil, and this is in the shade Medium. So I pretty much applied Trophy Wife on all the areas I needed to highlight, which was my inner tear ducts, my brow bone, my nose, my cheekbones, and a little bit above my Cupid's bow. Going in with Milani's Romantic Rose Blush, I'm just going to pop this onto my cheeks. So I decided not to go in with false lashes today. Instead, I went in with the Superhero Mascara from It Cosmetics. I've been reaching for this for days that I don't want to put fake lashes on. I just really like the way they make my lashes look, and it works really well on my bottom lashes. Normally, I'm the type of person where I use 2 different mascaras, one for the top and one for the bottom, but this has been working really well, so like this. But if you want to go in with lashes, be my guest. So I lined my lips with MAC's Whirl lip liner. Now going in with Pechstock, also from MAC. I'm just going to apply this on my lips. Now I'm going to try going in with this NYX Peanut Brittle Intense Butter Gloss. So this is the completed look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and really liked this look. I'll have all the product details listed below for you guys. And if you're not already, please subscribe, like, and comment, and let me know what you want to see in my next video. And I will see you soon.